in this news. Now the news in detail. Karnataka Tulu Sahitya Academy and organized Kavadi program and release of 3 books. Mayandal and English translation by Shankar Narayan Pujari. Lipi Shilpi Attavar Anantachar of Dr. Paltadi Ramakrishna Achar and Hariharan Ragalelu of Professor V. Vadavedi at academic premises.
Karnataka Tulu Sahitya Academy and organized Kavadi program and release of 3 books. Mayananda, an English translation by Shankar Narayan Pujari. Lipi Shilpi Attavar Ananta Acharya of Dr. Paltadi Ramakrishna Achar and Hariharana Ragalilu of Professor D. Vedavati at the academy premises on Saturday. Renowned writer Dr. Sai Gita released the 3 books.
Professor D. Vedavati
After releasing the books, Dr. Sai Gita said, the first woman to write her PhD thesis in Tulu said that each Tulu book is a contribution to the development of the language. She said, though it is a great challenge to translate the idea behind the Tulu culture to English, Shankar Narayan D. Pujari has done it beautifully in Mayanandal.
Mayandal, Hariharana Ragale, Attavara Anantacharya. In Moody Bukula, Turuka Matalu, Muslim, Gasa Ilikotu, and the Turuka Matalu Malavera. Mayandal, Tulu Kannada, English Kannada. Hariharan Ragale, Kannada Shishna Sahityalu, Kannada Shishna Sahityalu, Tulu Kannada. ಮಸ್ತು ಜನರು ಸರಿಯಂದ ಕೂಡಿನ ಅದು ಮಸ್ತು ಜನರು ಕೈಯಿಂದ ತಿರುಗುನಂಚಿನೇ ಬರೆದು ಕೊಡುನಂಚಿನ ಅನುಸಾರಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಚಾರಿಕರು ಬರೆದರು. ಈ 3 ಜನರ ಜನರು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದೆಯರು ಅಂಚಂದು ಅಕ್ಕಲು ಬರೆಯಿನ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಸಲು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಿರಿಯರು ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು
Academy Register Chandras Rai, former Karnataka Tulu Sahitya Academy President Dr. Paltadi Ramakrishna Achar, writer Shankar Narayan Pujari, Academy President M. Janaki Brahmawar, Academy Member Professor D. Vedavati and others were present.
Karnataka Photographers Association will present 2-day International Digital Photo and Video Exhibition, DG Image 2014, Galaxy of Technology from 18th July to 20th July at Koramangal Indoor Stadium, Bangalore.
Addressing a press meet at the Press Club Patrika Bhavan in Mangalore on Tuesday, Astro Mohan said, the Karnataka Photographers Association will organize its mega second international exhibition in DG Image 2014 from 18th to 20th of July at Koramangala Indoor Stadium, Bangalore. It will be an eye-opener for everyone in this industry, and its noble cause is to help the needy photographers and videographers of the state.
Karnataka Photographers Association ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಸಂಘಟನೆ ಈ ಬಾರಿ ಕೂಡ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಕೋರಮಂಗಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಜುಲೈ 18ರಿಂದ 20ರವರೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿದೆ. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಯಶಃ 2 ಗೊಂದಲಗಳಿರ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದು ಗೊಂದಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪಿಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್. ಇದು ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಇಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಮೇಜಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ವಸ್ತು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಲಾಭ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಹೊಸ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದವರು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಅನುಭವಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಮೂಲಕ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆನರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬಟ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಲೀವಿಂಗ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಸುಮಾರು 44,000 ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ ಕುಟುಂಬಗಳಿವೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕೆಪಿಎಫ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್. ಇದು ನಾವು ಕೆಪಿಎಫ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರೋ ಸಂಘಟನೆಯವರು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಾಭಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಬಳಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 2ನೇ ವರ್ಷ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅವರೇ ನಾವೇ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಂಘಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನಿಕಾನ್, ಸೋನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿನೋಲ್ಟಾ ಇಂತಹ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು, ಕ್ಯಾನನ್ ಅಂತಹ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು ಅವರು ಬಂದು ಅವರ ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಅದರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವತಃ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣ. ಎರಡನೇದು ಏನಾಗ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ ಲ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಕೆಲವರಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಸಹ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ 3 ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಜನ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್. ಸೊ ಇದು 2 ಮೇಜರ್ ಉದ್ದೇಶ.
Mr. S. Paramesh, Mr. B. Satyanarayana Rao and others were present at the press meet.
Hi, this is John Abraham and you're watching Coastal Times.
ಇವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಪುಟ್ಟುಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಮಗನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹಣ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೇಲೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಭದ್ರವಾಗಿಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನ ಚಿನ್ನಾಭರಣಗಳ ಸಾಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ದರ, ಚಿನ್ನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಧಿಕ ಸಾಲ, ಕ್ಷಿಪ್ರ ಮಂಜೂರಾತಿ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ ಚಿನ್ನಾಭರಣಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೃಷಿ ಸಾಲ ವಿಶೇಷ ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ದರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪುಟ್ಟುಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಭಾರತದಾದ್ಯಂತ.
18 February 1924, a day started to create history and wave in the banking industry. Karnataka Bank was born. Many prominent personalities served as directors, but Mr. Suryanarayan Adiga ruled successfully for several years. The whole family bank was declared as one of the most customer-friendly banks by Consumer Forum and the Ministry of Customer Affairs. Over 464 plus branches, 8 regional offices, over 200 plus ATMs and over 4,500 plus dedicated staff offers the best rate of interest, especially for the senior citizens. Come, let's listen to what the CEO and MD Mr. Jairam Bhatt has got to say.
Karnataka Bank is your family bank.
Garcia Designs, a dreamland of furniture. Decorate with exclusive range of furniture from Garcia. Now attractive variety of furniture with unique designs and ready to fit your living place. Exclusive range of furniture for ultra-modern houses and corporate offices. Have your dream design furniture. Get a new look in your office by exclusive range of office furniture. The designers offer your furniture needs under one roof. Patronize our exclusive imported furniture shop Garcia Designs at Garcia Design Complex, Vijay Church Cross Road, Vijay, Mangalore.
Today, one looks back with pride and wonder on the transformation that has taken place at Kankanadi, from a single dispensary to a super speciality hospital, from 20 beds to 1,050 beds, from 10 health workers to over 1,500 doctors, nurses, technical staff and over 2,000 students. Father Muller is a byword today for service and dedication, for specific burning of cancer cells at their locations. We have all precision equipments and instruments for both invasive and non-invasive surgical procedures and diagnosis, including high reduction X-ray, ultrasonic color Doppler, CT scan and MRI machines. The operation theaters are equipped with contemporary equipment, high-tech intensive care units, neo and postnatal units, burns unit, cath lab and cardiothoracic units are fully equipped. Our NICU is the largest in the city. The blood bank and cell separator and casualty are 24-hour services. In all, we have 32 super specialty services including chest and allergy, de-addiction and counseling, dialysis and mammography.
The students of St. Teresa School aired the concern with the Mangalore City Traffic Police about the problems they are facing after the free corridor experiment was implemented by MCTP at Palmata.
The students of St. Teresa School aired the concern with the Mangalore City Traffic Police about the problems they were facing after free corridor experiment was implemented by MCTP at Palmata. The program started with a prayer. The students were given a chance to talk about the issues with the Uday Naik, Assistant Commissioner of Police, and Guru Kamath, Inspector Traffic, West Mangalore City, during a debate program organized at the school on Friday, the July 4th. The children lamented that they were facing tough time to walk on the road during peak hours. As the school vans have been prohibited from being parked in front of the schools, they have to walk a long distance in order to reach the school. The large number of vehicles, unbearable sound from the horns of the vehicles, has proven to be a nightmare to the students.
Speeding of vehicles over the mosque is known on the road. My parents, it was a problem to all of us because when we come to morning without uniform, all neat and tidy, the mud puddles can destroy our look. Brothers and sisters are facing a period of fasting. Full note is each training factor, but that is because the rickshaw had to go and take a long turn, it took me maybe 45. So we're students and we can't afford to spend 90 rupees a day only on transportation.
But now, we have to walk all the way back just to catch the bus. It's very tough for the students, teachers, and the lecturers staying over here just to catch the bus supposed to walk the line. So,
Without talking is required. Okay, certainly input because it's raining outside. And the street data council. We have got the street data council. I have set for what will be better for this purpose only. I will install the notes so I can for tomorrow. Because people have gone from Bangalore, from Bangalore, they have gone to Bangalore. They will come and certainly we will install the street data council at both sides. They will see some of the problem also.
More than 25 children expressed their hope. Mr. Uday Naik, who listened to the problems, assured them of providing solutions to the earliest.
Karnataka State Legal Services Authority, District Legal Service Authority, Dakshina Kannada, District Administration, Jilla Panchayat and Mangalore Bar Association had organized awareness assistance workshop on Saturday at Rosario Festival Hall in Mangalore.
Karnataka State Legal Services Authority, District Legal Services Authority, Dakshina Kannada District Administration, Jilla Panchayat and Mangalore Bar Association had organized the Awareness Assistance Workshop on Saturday at Rosario Cultural Hall in Mangalore. Justice N.K. Patil, High Court Judge and Executive Chairperson of Karnataka State Legal Services Authority, inaugurated the program by lighting the traditional lamp. Addressing the gathering, Justice N.K. Patil said that malnutrition is the biggest and serious problem in our country.
ಔಪಚಾರಿಕತೆಯಿಂದ ಬರುವ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಉತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರದೆ ಇರುವ ಕಾರಣ ಬಹುಬೇಗ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮರಣಕ್ಕೆ ತುತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಇಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಾದ ಕಾರಣ ಮತ್ತು ಸದರಿ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳೇ ದೇಶದ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯಾಗುವ ಕಾರಣ ಔಪಚಾರಿಕ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರವು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 1ರಿಂದ 7ರವರೆಗೆ ಔಪಚಾರಿಕ ಸಪ್ತಾಹ ಒಂದಾಗಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 1ರಿಂದ 7ರವರೆಗಿನ ಒಂದು ವಾರದ ಕಾಲ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ನಡೆಸುವಂತೆಯೂ ವಸ್ತು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಹಾಗೂ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ತಪಾಸಣೆ ಶಿಬಿರಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಯುವಂತೆಯೂ ಆದೇಶಿಸಿದೆ.
Lady Justice Dr. K. Bhaktavasalya, Judge High Court of Karnataka, delivered his presidential address and said that every individual should become an agriculturist to get the nutritious food. We have to grow vegetables and fruits at home and have to motivate children to do the same.
ಉಡುಪಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಜನಗಳು ಸುಶಿಕ್ಷಿತರು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅರಿವಿದೆ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಅಂಟಿವೇಣಿಕ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಆ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಷ್ಟು ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ. ಈಗ 378 ಮಕ್ಕಳುಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಸಹೋದರ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವರು ಕೇಳಿದರು, ಯಾರು ಈ 378 ಮಕ್ಕಳುಗಳು ಇಡೀ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ?
Justice K.L. Manjunath, Deputy Commissioner Dakshina Kannada, Mr. A.V. Ibrahim, Justice N. Narayan Swamy, Mr. P. Ashok Arika, and others were present.
Hi, this is Nisha Pathari, and you are watching Coastal Time English News.
Mr. Prasad, now you are all right. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಒಂದೇ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಂತ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್? ಅದು ಈ ಸಿಟಿಲಿ.
ಯಾಕೆ ರೆಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ?
ರೆಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಯಾ?
2 ಎಕರೆ ವಿಶಾಲವಾದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 85% ಹಚ್ಚ ಹಸಿರಾದ ಓಪನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇರುವಂತ ಸೂಪರ್ ಲಕ್ಸುರಿ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಮುಖ್ಯ ರಸ್ತೆ ಬದಿಯಲ್ಲೇ, ಕುಲಶೇಖರ ಚೌಕಿಲಿ. ಈಗಲೇ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಂಥ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿಗೋಕ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನೀವು?
ನಾನು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಾಗಿದೆ.
ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಬುಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ Property Deal Marketing and Project Management Company, first floor, Netravati Complex, Red Building, near Zarodi Temple, Bangalore. For booking and more details, call 890-400-1234. Our website is www.propertydealindia.com. Property Deal Marketing and Project Management Company, the professional real estate consultants.
ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ, ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಂಪರೆ. ಶತಮಾನೋತ್ಸವದತ್ತ ದಿಟ್ಟ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ. ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಯಮಿತ.
ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳು. ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಸತತ 10 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಅಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಿಂದ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಸ್ವಸಹಾಯ ಗುಂಪುಗಳ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಸತತ 9 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಬಾರ್ಡ್ನಿಂದ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಕೃಷಿ ಸಾಲದ ವಸೂಲಾತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸತತ 14 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ 100% ಸಾಧನೆ. 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಎಟಿಎಂ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಸಂಚಯ ಠೇವಣಿ ಯೋಜನೆ, ಠೇವಣಿದಾರರಿಗೆ ವಿಮಾ ಯೋಜನೆ.
ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಯಮಿತ ಸದಾಶಿವ ಸಹಕಾರ ಸದನ, ಕೊಡಿಯಲ್ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.
Tejaswini Hospital and SSIOT and ISO 9001-2008 certified Shantram Shetty Institute of Orthopedics and Traumatology, 200-bedded hospital established in 2004, specialized in neurosurgery, cardiac surgery, urology, plastic surgery, vascular surgery, has 4 ultra-unique laminar floor operation theatres which blows virus and bacteria. SSIOT, with the expertise of 38 years of Dr. Shantram Shetty, not only treats patients but also is fully fledged for accident and emergency treatment with experts in the field. SSIOT is a place for advanced technology of any joint replacement of the body. Tejaswini Hospital, Kadri Temple Road, Kadri, Mangalore. Telephone 222-5777, 222-5994, 9596 and 97.
No party is complete without chicken. The only rich food with complete nutrition. Swift Nutrition Hygienic. Soza Chicken. The breeding is taken care of by state-of-the-art technology. From hatching, packing, transporting, dressing and delivery. We supply as per your requirement and quantity. Remember, if it's chicken, it's Soza Chicken. The best place to order. Visit us. Soza Chicken, Kushekar Kaikamba, Mangalore. Mobile 944-8284-203.
Lions Club International District 317 had organized March and March District Awards Night 2013-14 on Sunday the 29th of June at Dollar Hall, Kodialbai, Mangalore.
Lions Club International District 317 had organized the Man Sanman District Awards Night 2013-14 on Sunday the 29th of June at Lola Hall, Kodialbai in Mangaluru. The awards night started with a prayer by Lion Vishwas Kamath. Leo awards were presented. The Prime Awards were also awarded. Lioness District Coordinator Lioness Asha Chandra Mohan presented the Lioness Award. Diamond Supreme Excellence Award were presented. Past District Governor M.J. Lankishore Rao and Lion Kumble Narasim Prabhu announced the names of the Lions Award.
For the past 20 years, or past 25 years, as a Lion of PDP was a wonderful award for the past 25 years. And yesterday, a national award in our own Lion activity.
Leo Club Awards were awarded. The Best Lioness and Lions Club Awards were given. District Lioness Coordinator, Lioness Asha Chandra Mohan, and Lion of the District, Lion MC Shetty, addressed the gathering. District Governor, District 3170 PMJ Lankesi Prabhu also expressed his feelings.
The office bearers and directors of the board of KCCI Bangalore and the chairperson and members of the IT subcommittee of KCCI is organizing a program of technology for business growth on July 23rd at 4:30 p.m. at KCCI Meeting Hall, Bandar in Bangalore, informed the press release. That's all for now. We'll be back with more news on the same channel at the same time. Till then, from all of us, it's goodbye.